Oh! Oh! This is terrific! Ah! I've got sand in places I didn't even know I had.
Spare me your prattling, Iago. Are we out yet?
Are we out yet? Are we out yet? Yes, we're out! No thanks to you. If it weren't for me, you'd be stuck down there forever.
You will now release me, so that I may have my revenge.
Yeah, when I'm good and ready.
Do as I say, you worthless pipsqueak!
You know something? You're nothing without me.
What?
Who comes up with all the good ideas? Me! Who does all the work? Me!
If it weren't for me, you'd still be in a cage at the bazaar, squawking, Polly wants a cracker!
That's it! I've had it! I hate to be dramatic, but it's time for me to fly the coop. Terrific! Fine! I'm drawing the line before I wind up in a parrot suit. I was a fool to let you run the show. I'm cutting you loose, pal! Look out below! Arrivederci! C'est la vie! Hope all goes well! I'm looking out for me! Agrabah! Just a juicy golden goose ready for plucking. And I'm the one holding the tweezers. I'll be running this town inside a week! What's your problem, liver lips? You don't think I can do it? Okay, I'm little, been playing second fiddle, and I don't get no respect. I turn the other cheek, but this busted beak is the only thanks that I get. I never found a friend that I can trust. They promise caviar and leave me eating dust. That's some reward for loyalty. From here on in, I'm looking out for me. Oh, I don't need nobody else. I'll never fail. I'll cover my own tail. I can take care of myself. You know it just don't pay to give a hoot. I'm giving all my heart. What do I get? The boot. I'm through with that. I'm flapping free. From here on in, I'm looking out for me.
Steal from us again, and your scrawny body will be dinner for the jackals!
No problem.